Me? Hello, me. Testing, testing. Hey. Oh boy, where'd I go? Quack, quack.
Emma and Keenan are playing basketball. They both heard a sound.
Keenan, what's that sound?
I don't know. Come on. Keenan and Emma went to look for the sound, and they found me and Oliver making the sound. Sounds like thunder. Well, Oliver's swinging on the swing and making a kind of funny noise. I think that sound is coming from right in there.
See that rusted metal up there?
Yeah.
I think it's rubbing together.
Keenan and Emma were banging sticks together and they made a nice noise. Wow, Oliver, that is really cool.
It sounded like chimes.
Cool, Keenan. That sounded kind of like a drum. That was loud. Try making sounds with things you find.
Major funding for this program has been provided by the National Science Foundation.
Look who's coming up next.
Let's check the map to find out how to get to the Big Red Hill. I need your help.